today I thought of sharing my skincare secrets with you guys. So basically I had a lot of dark spots and pigmentation and acne, pimples, scars, a lot of things on my face. Now also I have scars. You guys can see I have not applied any base, so you guys can see I have scarrings on my face, but the dark spots have totally gone. So actually what I did, I used basic home products to make face masks, which you will easily find in your kitchen. So you can also make it, and if you have sensitive skin, combination skin, oily skin, because I have an oily skin, so I have a sensitive plus oily skin, so I just can't use any product I want. I'll have to be really particular in whatever I use. So in most of the cases I use DIY masks, and I even use masks from different brands like Mama Earth, M Caffeine. They have really good masks. I use a lot of them. I'll provide a skincare routine very soon, so I'm not gonna share whatever I use, basically like the things which I buy. So now for today's video I'm gonna share 3 DIYs which I use almost every week, and in this quarantine I'm using it a lot, like twice a week. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So for the first mask, what I did, I used 3 ingredients and I mixed it and applied it on my face and kept it for 15 minutes, and then I washed it off with water, with warm water or normal cold water. So I'm going to apply the mask which I have made from honey, yogurt and turmeric. I'll also provide all the benefits of all the products here. You just can check it out. So I use turmeric because turmeric really acts a very good antioxidant and anti-inflammatory product in curing pimples, acne, dark spots and redness from the skin. So I had a lot of scars, so basically it really helps in that. And if you have sensitive, oily and combination skin, it's very good for you guys. Just try it out, it's very good. And yogurt is a mind-blowing product because it has lactic acid and it promotes the growth of new cells and removes the dead cells, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties. So basically what it does, it just cures acne, moisturizes the skin, soothes the skin, and it also has probiotics. That means it actually helps to get rid of infections, skin infections if you have. So basically what it does, it actually is very good for dry skin as well. You can just make a paste out of yogurt and apply it on your skin, and it's really good. Honey is another product which is very good because it has a lot of benefits for the skin. It soothes the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it prevents aging because it has antioxidants, and it has antibacterial and antiseptic properties which is very good for curing acne. It fades scars and nourishes the skin from its roots. So basically it is a very good product for the production of new cells, and it even helps for calming the skin. So basically these 3 products are very good for skin, and it provides a very nourishing element to your skin. So try it out guys, will like it. So for the next mask, what I did, I took just 2 ingredients, aloe vera and turmeric. Basically aloe vera is the best product for all skin types. It helps in the production of new cells, it helps for acne, it has vitamin C and vitamin E, which is very good for skins. It also helps in reducing aging, and it soothes sunburns, and it also acts on pimples. You have an active pimple, for example, just apply the aloe vera gel or aloe vera just on it and just go off to sleep, and the next day you will see a difference. I guarantee. I have tried it by my own and it really works. So basically aloe vera is a very good product because it has just a lot of properties in it. It not only just helps in curing pimples, but also it helps as a moisturizer, it nourishes the skin, it helps from the within of the skin. So basically it's like the best. The next mask is actually my mom's found. I didn't know about this. She used to make it when she was small, and now I make it. She has taught me. So it's like all the properties which I have, all the ingredients which I just mentioned, but just another added thing to it is besan. You need 3 products for this as well. Basically besan has a lot of properties. It actually clears the skin, it makes your skin look brighter, it acts against pigmentation and scarring as well. If you have blemishes, for example you have dark spot and blemishes, it fights against them, and it has antibacterial properties which is very good. So besan is actually a very good ingredient for curing dark spots and pigmentation. It helps against the curing of it, and it even makes your dull skin brighter. So basically what this product does, it just makes your skin look fresh, and it nourishes the skin, it moisturizes the skin. So yeah, you guys can try it. It's very good, it's very simple to make. Just add the 3 products and make it. It's very simple. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also follow me on Instagram because I'm super active there, and also I'm gonna post an IGTV soon there regarding a lot of things. So yeah, that's it. We will see each other next time.